Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at the SwitchBot Lock and the SwitchBot Keypad.
It's not just a keypad.
It's also a touchpad.
So check it out. Look at this. It's got the buttons. Buttons are for you. And the fingerprint readers
for Mark, because it doesn't work for me. Anyway, this is a smart lock, so it works on its own, or it also works as part of the SwitchBot ecosystem. They have a lot of really other cool devices, motion sensors and cameras and stuff like that. And it comes with everything that you need to install it. It's a great lock for, if you don't want to take out the old lock, because it basically just moves the deadbolt for you.
Yeah, that's all it does. Okay, so this is it. And then it uses sticky tape to stick to the door, so you don't even have to drill any holes. So that's pretty cool. And in the thing for installing the lock, you get a couple of different knob turning things. I don't know what they would call them, but basically for wide ones or whatever, because your deadbolt lock may have some fancy handle on it. It comes with a screwdriver, has extra screws, and some stickers. We don't know what they're for. Extra sticky tape, I guess if you have to do it twice. And a cleaning cloth.
A wet wipe.
Wet wipe cleaning cloth to clean the door off, so when you put this thing and stick it to it, it sticks.
Yep, and it comes with the batteries.
Hold on, before you talk about the batteries. It comes with this little magnet thing. We don't know what it's for. We're going to find out when we install it. And as far as batteries are concerned, it comes preloaded with a CR123A.
CR123A, and they're supposed to last about 6 months.
About 6 months. So that's the door lock, okay?
So you could use that. You can open and close that with the app, or obviously with the turn, or you can get this optional keypad and touch reader and pair it up with your lock so you can open it and close it that way.
So what else comes in the box with it?
So it comes with everything you need to mount it up. It also comes with those batteries, the CR123A. It comes with the instructions. It comes with a wet wipe. And it comes with this SwitchBot card.
This is the mystery card.
We
don't know what this is, but stay tuned when we do our full review, and we'll explain what that card's for.
All right. So Mark's going to go off and install this lock, and we'll come back and do our full review. Thank you.
Thank you.